Exploring the stars, SpaceX's Starship and FAA launch licensing. In the vast cosmos, SpaceX's Starship is pioneering a new era of space exploration. Yet, it's more than just rocket science. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, plays a crucial role by granting launch licenses. These licenses safeguard both humans and the environment. FAA imposes stringent conditions before approving a launch. Scrutinizing factors like public safety, payload security, and environmental impact ensures safe space missions. Starship's colossal size and future human missions heighten the FAA's involvement. The constant evaluation ensures Starship's readiness for its historic journey. FAA's license marks SpaceX's significant milestone. It signifies Starship's compliance with all safety regulations and its readiness for space exploration. In conclusion, the FAA's launch license is a crucial element for SpaceX's Starship missions. It's an unsung hero in this monumental space endeavor. Join us next time as we explore more into the behind-the-scenes intricacies of space exploration. Stay curious, stay astounded.